140 कोटी भारतीयांची स्वप्नां घेऊन उड्डाण केल्ल्या चंद्रयान 3च्या सॉफ्ट लँडिंगे उपरांत 2 वरां 26 मिनटांनी रोवर लँडरांतल्यान भायर आयलो। रोवर यशस्वीपणान भायर आयिल्ल्यान गोंयकार तशेंच पुराय देशांतल्या लोकांचे काळीज अभिमानान भरून आयले।
लँडिंगे उपरांत चंद्रयान 3 पयलो संदेश धाडला। भारत आमी लक्ष्य पुराय केले आणि तुम्ही चंद्रयान 3चो विक्रम लँडर बुधवारा सांजे 6:04 चंद्राचेर देवलो। उपरांत 2 वरां 26 मिनटांनी प्रज्ञान रोवर लँडरांतल्यान भायर आयलो। लँडरांतल्यान रोवर देवलो उपरांत चंद्राचेर अशोक स्तंभ आणि इस्रोच्या लोगोची छाप पडली।
What we have really achieved is, in a sense, if you say, unbelievable. The failure of Chandrayaan 2 was made use of in favor of Chandrayaan 3. In other words, we have used that failure in our favor. We were confident before the launch itself, it will be a success. This is a great day for ISRO and India and also mankind. What we have really achieved is, in a sense, if you say, unbelievable. And when I say unbelievable, I mean that with the kind of budget what we have, with the kind of other commitments what we have, and that too after a failure, and that failure has put us into great difficulty, and then we are achieving this. So this is, in that sense, it is unbelievable. But it is believable because everyone in ISRO knows that it is achievable, and they have achieved it. And how they achieved it is a simple matter, that every failure of Chandrayaan 2 was addressed to. Every failure. Let it be a software problem, let it be a stability problem, let it be a redundancy problem, let it be additional requirement problem, all are addressed to. And all were rectified. And the failure of Chandrayaan 2 was made use of in favor of Chandrayaan 3. In other words, we have used that failure in our favor. That's how we eliminated an orbiter, and then we added some weight to the lander. In that sense, you have really done a wonderful job. And in the process, we were confident before the launch itself, it will be a success. And it was a success. So, thank you so much, and congratulations to all.
इस्रोन दिल्ले माहिती प्रमाण विक्रम लँडरांतल्यान रोवर भायर आयले उपरांत फुडले 14 दीस तो चंद्राचेर संशोधन करतलो। जेन्ना वत मेळटले तेन्ना रोवराक सौर ऊर्जा मेळटली। 14 दिसां उपरांत चंद्राच्या दक्षिण ध्रुवाचेर काळोख जातलो आणि उपरांत लँडर आणि रोवर दोगांचें काम बंद जातले। ब्युरो रिपोर्ट, गोमंतक टीव्ही।